soda. Women boys that know fast money don't slow. No one can control.
Hey my lovies, I'm back again for another review. This review is brought to you by a company called Maange. I'm pretty sure y'all seen them on my channel multiple times before. I have worked with them and they are a awesome, reliable, reasonable, great makeup products company. So yeah, but I wanted to come to you all and bring you all these matte lipsticks. So yeah, they sent me this set of matte lipsticks and they look like this. They're all packaged, individually packaged nicely, and those are like the color numbers because they don't have names. A lot of times I wish that you know, some of these companies would, you know, put names. I prefer names instead of numbers, but hey. So yeah, this is their 16-piece waterproof long-lasting matte lipstick set, and it retails for $12.99 on Amazon.com. Each bowl is about 0.995 ounces. So I'm taking them out so I can show y'all. And they look like this. I like the packaging. I love the black sleek packaging, and they also have each one individually plastic wrapped, which is a plus. These are silky, exquisite, and elegant, suitable for all seasons, year round. You get different colors, which are great for summertime, fall, you know, all that good stuff. They also states that they are great for the office, parties, shopping. You pretty much can use them. Beauty videos, pretty much can use them for anything. And that is another look at the colors that you will get. 8 and 2 are, well, 2 is actually darker, showing on the box. So yeah, they said that they are non-stick, and they said that they are non-stick, but they do recommend that you apply lip gloss on your lips first, a clear coat, 1 coat of lip gloss on your lips first. That's what I would do, and then apply your matte lippy. You can top these off with another coat of, you know, shiny gloss. You can top them off with glitter and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna show you is number 1. I like the color of the label already. So I'm gonna open it, and it does have like tape. I just noticed that it has like, well, no, it don't. Well, kinda, yeah. It does have like this down. So when you pull it, it's gonna pop open. So this is what the packaging looks like. I like the packaging. And then this is what the applicator looks like. It doesn't have a smell at all, so yeah. But I'm going to do this first color for y'all. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. So it looks like that. Ooh, these damn fruit flies getting on my nerves. But they look, I'm sorry y'all, but it looks like this. And it does glide on like fairly soft and buttery. So I love the way it glides on. I like that shine. And that applicator looks amazing. So yeah. And I'm doing it on my hand because I don't want to have to keep taking, you know, putting it on my lips and wiping it off. It really dries your lips up like all out like that. So yeah. So the next color I'm going to do is 2. And 2 looks like that. It does pretty much match what you see on the box, so I like that. So I'm gonna get 2 open. So this is what 2 looks like, and I'm gonna swatch right beside number 1. And I like the way that looks too. Very, very pretty. Love the way that looks. And like I said, they glide on so good. So, so good. Next, we're gonna do number 3. This red color I love. Love a good red. So sensual and sexy. So yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like straight out the box. And excuse my ashy hands, y'all. I've been cleaning and I ain't throwing no lotion, all that. So I'm gonna swatch it right beside number 3, and I love this color. Totally different than a red that I own. I love the way that looks. Looks like a cherry red, like a dark cherry red. I love the way that looks. So that is number 3. Then we have number 4. So number 4 looks like that. Let me see. Like that. And you know what? I would, well, no, that is like a cherry red. And that's kind of like a cranberry. 4 looks kind of like a cranberry as well, but a little bit more on the pinkish side, maybe. So 4 looks like this. And I'm going to swatch it. Y'all, I love this applicator and the way they go on. I can't stress that enough. So this is what 4 looks like. Love, love, love. And if you notice, they're keeping their shine. If you see the previous ones I swatched first, they're keeping their shine. So that's number 4. Love it. And like I said, they have totally no smell. No smell at all, y'all. Next, we're going to do number 5. Number 5 looks like that. So I'm going to get this open. And like I said, you get 6 colors in all for $12.99, which is not bad for 6 matte lippies. 1 matte lippy can cost you more than $12.99. So this is what number 5 looks like. But that's, sorry y'all, that was my child. But number 5 looks like that in the pack. And I'm gonna swatch it. So looks like that. These 2 look very similar in color. Very similar. This one may be a little bit more orangey on the orangey side, but they do look very similar. Next, and last but not least, is number 8. Got it upside down. So number 8. And if y'all heard that noise in the background, it's my freshener. So, get this out of here. Come on. So this is what number 8 looks like in the pack. And I'm going to swatch it. Number 8 is kind of similar to number 2, but a tiny bit more. See, that's number 8. That's number 2 right there. Number 2 is more on the nudie side. This one is more like on the orangey red side. So yeah. But that is what the colors look like. Thumbnail. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and show y'all these. So far, I love them. Definitely stay tuned for a makeup video with me using these lippies. I like the way they look. I like the way they glide on. As far as them being smudge proof, let's see. Definitely not. They do transfer. So yeah, but that's not a big deal to me. Like, I just love a good lippy. As long as it doesn't run. I don't like a lippy that runs. So yeah. But these are the Maange 6 color matte 6-piece set, lipstick set, long lasting. This net don't want to stay on my face. Long lasting, and like I said, and they're supposed to be waterproof as well. But yeah, retail for $12.99 on Amazon. All information will be down below in the description box, so you lovers can check them out. Like I said, they also sell a wide variety of other makeup products, lashes, all that good stuff. I highly recommend this company. I've used, sorry y'all, my daggone reminder popped up in the middle of me recording, but I used products from them before, and I don't have anything negative to say about this company. But like I did add in the beginning, I do wish that, you know, names, I prefer names on my lippies. I really do. That's just me. So yeah, but hope you lovers are having a wonderful Sunday. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you babes in the next one.